Hey there, I'm Scott Britton. Welcome to this course on building an outsourced lead generation machine. I couldn't be more excited to have you here. My goal of this course is really just to help you leverage proven systems, freelancers, and software automation to build a system that rapidly grows your business. Whether this is something you're intimately familiar with already, or maybe this is a little bit foreign, I'm really excited because once you start implementing these techniques, you'll have the power of outsourcing at your fingertips, which really just completely changes the game. And it's my personal belief that you should only be doing work that is unique to you, that only you can do, which is why developing this idea of systems thinking and outsourcing, even if you decide not to use it for lead generation, is just an amazing skill to build for your life. Now, the thing is, if you want to get results, you can't just watch the videos. You need to take action. So I highly encourage you to try to implement these strategies along the way, as well as ask questions. If you have any questions, just ask me in the course module, which you'll see within the course, and I will be there to answer every single question and help you along the way. So please don't be shy and don't be afraid to introduce yourself in the questions as well. Now, before we dive into some of the more highly tactical strategies, let's set a foundation and cover what even outsourced lead generation means so that you truly have a model to understand everything that we're going to talk about going forward.